Hello there, slightly smiling face. I might look like just a normal image, but I'm actually talking right now. My name is not important. What matters is that a Sphere made this image speak using AI. Yes, this is a real image brought to life with free AI tools. Every word you're hearing is generated, synced, and animated from a single photo. And the best part? Sphere is about to show you exactly how to do this step by step. No paid software, no complicated setup. So stay with the video, because in the next moments, you'll learn how to turn any image into a talking video using AI.
First, open ChatGPT. Then we are opening ChatGPT to ask ChatGPT to help us generate a prompt. And it's that prompt that we are going to use to generate an image, which we are going to make life out of it. So let's ask ChatGPT to help us generate a prompt. So let's give ChatGPT our idea. So let me type this one. I want to make an image talk. It should be a black African American man, well groomed in a well lit studio, sitting in front of a computer. So generate a prompt. So let's allow ChatGPT to generate a prompt for us. So there we have our prompt. So it's this prompt that we are going to copy to use it in another AI app to help us generate our image. So let's copy this prompt here. Let's copy it. Copied. Then the next tool that we are going to use, we are going to test two tools first. The first tool is WhatsApp, just your WhatsApp app. Then another tool is called Google Labs Whisk. So let's try with our WhatsApp first and generate the first image, then another image from Google Labs. So we are going to compare the two images, then we'll work with the best image. So let's try to do it. So let's go to our WhatsApp app. So on your WhatsApp app, tap on Meta AI, then let's just paste our prompt here, the prompt that we generated from ChatGPT. So let's paste it there, then see the image. Now this is our first image from Meta AI. So we are going to generate another image from Google Labs and compare the two. Then we will work with the image or a better image. So let's go to our other app. Then on Google, just search Google Labs Whisk. Google Labs Whisk. Then tap on the first one. Now, if you haven't signed up, you can just sign up. You can just sign up for free using your Google account or using your Gmail account. So I'm not gonna show my Gmail address or my email address because I've already signed up. So I'm just gonna sign in. Now we are on this interface here. So describe your idea or roll the dice for prompt ideas. So we already have our prompt. What we are going to do is to just paste our prompt here to let this tool generate for us an image. Remember, we already have the first image that we generated from Meta AI, which is from WhatsApp. So we are just going to compare the two. Let's just paste our prompt here. It's already in our clipboard. It's there. Let's wait for it to generate an image for us. Wow. So it has basically generated 3 images for us. So we are going to compare the 2 images and see the one that we are going to pick. So let's see these ones first. All right. Then let's compare the 2. I'll just minimize this window here. This is the one from Meta AI. You see? Which one do you think we should work with? I think I'm gonna pick the 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 second one, because yeah, let me just pick the second one here from our second tool. So we can just download this one here. So the file is already downloaded. So we don't have to download many of them, because I'm just doing this for the purpose of this tutorial, just to show this demonstration. So one is just enough. So our tool that we are going to use to make this image talk, that's what we are going to do next. And let's go to our last tool that is gonna give this image life. So let's go to Google, then search for HeyGen AI. Tap on this first one, heygen.com. So there we are. So as you can see, I've already signed up. So you can also sign up for free, and you don't have to use the pro version of it. You can just use the free version to make your image talk. So this is what I'm basically using, the free plan, as you can see here, free. So you don't have to worry about the paid version of it. So what we are going to do next is to describe the video that we want from this tool here. So from our tool here, you can see there are 2 formats here, the portrait and the landscape format. So we want our talking video to be in a landscape format, or the YouTube format. If you want a real format, or TikTok video format, or YouTube short format, you select the first one here, this portrait. But we want YouTube video format, so we're gonna select this one here. So we already have our prompt. I already have a prompt that I have copied, so I'm just gonna upload the photo that we got from our second app here. Let me tap on add there. That photo that we just downloaded, it's here. Let's add it, then add our prompt there. I already copied the prompt. So the image should generate a video. It should start, hello there, I might look like just a normal image, but I'm actually talking right now. So that's what you should expect from this image. So let me just try to add something here a little bit. Let me just add and say, let it be soft spoken English without, let me just say, with the neutral accent, which basically means it's clear English without any deep accent. So enter. So let's wait as our talking image is getting generated. So it's gonna take a few minutes depending on your internet strength. So it has already given us a plan of our image. So you can see the topic, how to turn an image into a talking video using AI theme. So what I'm going to do, I don't want any music theme here. So let me just say don't include music theme. Okay, let's wait. So it's asking, would we like to proceed with this plan? So we can just type yes to continue with this plan. So just type yes, then enter. So as we wait for it to generate for us our talking image. So let's wait and see. Our image is ready, as you can see here, our AI talking image. So let's just go ahead and download it. Let me tap on it. And you see,
I might look like just a normal image, but I'm actually talking right now. My name is not important. What matters is that a media sphere made this image speak using AI. Yes, this is a real image brought to life with free AI tools. Every word you're hearing is generated, synced, and animated from a single photo.
it even has some overlays on it. And if you are someone who is seeking to open up a Faceless YouTube channel, then you can use this tool so that you can avoid recording yourself every time you. And also, if you are someone who is doing ads, you can use this tool to create your ads by turning your images into talking videos, and that will maintain your consistency and you will not have to keep on recording yourself each and every time. So use this tool if you want to open up your Faceless channel or if you want to do ads. So if you found this video helpful, please share it with others to also learn from it. And most importantly, like it and don't forget to subscribe so that any other time I drop similar videos, you never miss an update. See you in my next video.